Yo, what's going on, guys? This boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I will show how to recovery delete video on your phone without backup. The first thing, you need to go to photo or gallery. From there, go for album and scroll down until you see utilities. The last option is recently delete. You see you have all the recently deleted. Apple give you 30 days to recover videos or photo. If you need to recover some of them, you see this one of my video I recorded to do this I mean to do this channel. If you need to recover all, you need to hit in the right corner and select one of video you want to recover it, you see, and hit recover to videos, and you see you recover your video you found in library. You see you found in library. This video for today, I hope it helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.